patient present with syncope and dizziness over last month. On physical examination, his pulse is okay. Other vital signs are also okay. 24 ECG suggests sinus node dysfunction. We are giving sinus node dysfunction. This is the pathology in our patient. Now, when we did genetic evaluation, there was a copy of mutated gene X. Now, what does this gene X do? It codes for an ion channel. Which ion channel? The ion channel is said to be most important underlying for the automaticity of sinoatrial node. And this is the other thing they are saying, that this is the first ion channel to be activated immediately after hyperpolarization. What was the first channel to activate? I said at that point. First channel that activates is always HCN, then T-type calcium channel. Then you don't need to remember. Just remember that HCN. Then see, whenever there is upstroke here, I mean upstroke is done by calcium, not sodium here. In SN node action potential, upstroke is by calcium. So L-type calcium channels are opening. First thing HCN is opening, it's causing funny currents. Funny currents means automatic currents. Funny currents, other name is automatic currents. Automatic currents, they bring the potential slowly to threshold. Once it's on threshold, L-type calcium channels open, there is a rapid upstroke. And always repolarization is always caused by potassium. Always, no exceptions. So answer was clear-cut HCN channels.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.